Hello everyone, my name is Andy and let's have a look at the S&P 500 futures for Tuesday, October 24th. For the record, today is Monday, October 23, time is around 7:30 p.m. GMT. So, we have the confirmation that the wave 4 was not in yet. We took out this low right here, which means that we now have an incomplete corrective structure. So overall, I would expect more downside. But of course, there are several ways to get this downside. That does not mean that we immediately have to drop like a stone. We can first have something upward. That's definitely possible. So the scenarios that I might consider here is first of all, so we have our wave W situated right here, or wave X right here. So what could happen is that we further see an WXY structure to finish this wave Y. So if we do not get another low right here, then I would go for the WXY down. If we would get another low right here, then I would say this becomes 5 waves instead of 3. So far we have 3 waves in my opinion. And then this can be an A, B, C as indicated in red to finish this wave Y right here. As you can see, the space, we do not have that much space anymore for our wave 4. This is our wave 4 area. So as soon as we take out this low right, or this level right here, we do not really have a wave 4 anymore. So that's something to monitor. And so what else could happen is that we get an expanded flat structure right here. This is not on my chart, but I want to share it with you. What could happen is that this move up here was in 3, 1, 2, 3 as a wave A. Then we get a wave B down, overshooting wave B. So we take out this low right here. And now we make a strong reversal, impulsive move up as a wave C. And by doing this, then it would mean that our wave X ends somewhere right here. And by doing this, we could actually create more space to do another 3 waves down right here, be it as a W, X, Y, or be it as an A, B, C into this area. So that's definitely something that is possible. It's not on my chart yet, but it's something to take into account. But the two natural scenarios would look like this here, doing a wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a wave 5 down. Then we could have an A, B, C structure. Or if this low is holding, then we have a W, X, Y structure in my opinion. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.